Guys, today we are visiting Global KSR Aquarium. Let's get started. We are on the main road and the distance from Kudal to Kesri village in Savandwadi is almost 40 kilometers, and the fare ride which costs from Kudal till Savandwadi is almost 1000, as these people don't go by meter, so you need to be careful for this. Now you all can enjoy this beautiful view from Vetal Bambade Kudal. Guys, right now we are on Mumbai Goa highway. Are you guys enjoying this view? Because I am enjoying. Look at this beautiful Bangsal river. The river starts from Sahyadri and it ends in Vengurla. Basically activities like fisheries, boating are carried out over here. Guys, right now we are on the Akeri road. Finally we have reached Kesri village, which is our destination for KSR Global Aquarium. Minutes ride from this road towards our KSR Global Aquarium. Don't worry, if you want to travel over here, the local people over here are so friendly. They will guide you the way they guide us right now. Yay guys, now we are finally heading towards our aquarium. Are you able to see that? So guys, right now I'm standing in front of KSR Global Aquarium. See how beautiful it is. So let me give you a brief of this place. So KSR Global Aquarium is India's first fish theme park, and it covers almost 3,500 species of fishes. It's really a good tourist spot because it also provides employment to the people living in Kesri village and also neighboring villages like Devsu and Danoli. So it's not only just a tourist spot, but it's also good for the livelihood of people living in my Konkan. You need to book ticket from here, and the price per person is ₹100, which is much cheaper. Right now I have just entered inside. I will show you each and every species of fishes. Have a look at these beautiful wall paintings. So guys, will be entering through this beautiful fish-like tunnel. Wow, it's so creative. My sound is echoing. Wow, look at this beautiful pond, guys. There you see a beautiful crab over here. Dad, which leaf is this?
Lotus.
Oh, this is leaf of a lotus plant. There we have a beautiful dolphin structure. Wow, such a beautiful bridge. So right now, oh, have a look at this cute little cow. See, it's not a calf, it's a cow, and look how small her height is. See, her last height which she can reach is only this much. That's the funny thing. You all can read this info about this cow. Lifespan is of 25 years.
90 centimeter.
Not only fishes, but they also have parrots over here. So it is sun canners, belongs to the family of, oh, I can't read that, how it's pronounced. Scientific name is Aratinga solstitialis. Their mass is 400 grams, and here you can read extra info about them. So guys, this is blue and golden macaw. Scientific name is Ararauna. And this is the extra info. Their lifespan is about 50 to 60 years. Hey, look over here. Right now I'll show you colorful fishes which are there in this pond. I hope I don't scare them. Wow. So right now we'll cross this bridge and then we'll enter into this beautiful looking mansion wherein we have our aquariums. Wow, look at this shark painting, guys. And there we have a squid. Let's get in. Wow, have a look at this. Oh, that uncle closed that door and now it's almost feeling like I'm inside the water, guys. Wow. Have a look at these beautiful fishes. It's tinfoil barb and their lifespan is of 10 to 15 years. This is angelfish. And you will find this fish in Amazon river and their lifespan is of 15 years. Wow, they look so aesthetic, guys. This entire place is aesthetic. I'm loving it. This white one is so pretty. It's called giant gourami and they are slow moving creatures. Oh, parrotfish are looking so cute, guys. This fish was first bred in Taiwan and now they have brought it over here. And lifespan is of 7 years. Let's see what we have on the first floor. Oh, these fishes are very small. I literally have to zoom in order to show this to all of you. And it's called Dutch style aquarium. Oh, why these fishes are not moving? This is Amazon aquarium because it contains fishes from Amazon rainforest. You all can read this info. Look at this size. Oh my god. This is again a sucker mouth catfish. But this one is not from Amazon rainforest. Wow, have a look at this big one. It is hardly moving. It's the alligator garfish, and why it's not moving that much, guys? They feed on live and dead fish, insects, frogs, and their lifespan is of decades, period of 10 years. This alligator garfish I'm talking about. Monster aquarium. And oh my god, after watching this fishes I am also terrified, as it's called Monster Aquarium. And it's the fishes we have over here are Arapaima fish. Their lifespan is of 20 years. This one looks so cute, guys. And this one almost looks like Nemo. The orange one, goldfish. There's no info provided for that one. Don't know why. Wow, look at this beautiful ceiling, guys. And this is exit. Guys, we are heading towards the exit of this. The work is still going on for this aquarium. It's still not yet completed. They will build many things over here. If I come over here in future, then definitely I will cover those things as well. For now, we'll have a look at these birds. It's diamond dove. Hey, look over here. It's ferret. Hey, let him sleep. Will not disturb animals, okay? Have a look at the size of this chicken over here. So big. If I'm not wrong, I think these are American ones. Let me have a look towards the info of these chicks. No, there's no info. Look what I found over here. That's called emu. I think this is ostrich. It runs very fast, huh? It can sprint up to 48 km per hour and lifespan is of 25 years. Black duck. What is this? Crested duck. This one over here. So there is also slides, swings for your kids to play over here. This is really a good initiative, not only for tourists like me, but also for the people living over here. We have Java sparrow as well. Lifespan is of 3 years. But I didn't get any info of which country it is. Wow, they come in different colors. Beautiful pigeons, guys. Will not go near them, otherwise they'll get scared. Let's enjoy from here only. I got one info from someone working over here that what's new will be coming up over here will be a tunnel aquarium which will be made up of entire glass, and there will also be scuba diving. I'm excited for that. I'll show you that construction thing as well for that tunnel aquarium. Let me find that. Guys, you can't feed birds over here, otherwise you will be charged ₹500 for the same. So be careful. Always follow the rules of the place you visit. Be a responsible citizen. Wow, have a look at this bridge. I want to go up. Dad, can I go up? I'll go. Okay? हम खतरों के खिलाड़ी है गाइस. मुझे डर नहीं लगता. मुझे बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लगता गाइस. मैं बिल्कुल भी नर्वस नहीं हूँ. I'm trying it, guys. Let's hope for the best. No, it's not moving. That's the good thing about this. Oh, it started moving. Guys. But I'm not scared of anything. If you look down, then definitely you will get scared. So, always look in front. Wow, finally it started moving, guys. कोई नहीं, कर लेंगे हम पार इसको भी गाइज. Will be successful crossing this bridge. It was terrifying, but it was a good experience for me, guys. Just started and it's looking so beautiful. Now we are going back. Through the same fish-like tunnel. See what we all will have in future in this KSR Global Aquarium. You all can do snacking over here. Snacking is also there. Where is that construction site? But oh, there we have it. This is the construction site for that tunnel aquarium, which will be made up of glass, and I think it will be more realistic. You will feel like you are almost inside the water. And there will also be a scuba diving. I hope the work gets completed very soon for this, so that I can travel in future as well. Kesri, so I think we'll have restaurant as well over here. It's really a good thing to see my Konkan evolving in such a manner for its tourists as well as for the people. Definitely, if I tell you one thing, that people like me who always stay in city or who really don't much travel to their native place, so things like KSR Global Aquarium always attract us. And also people living in other parts of India are also attracted. So definitely one day I hope Konkan will be a rich tourist destination with these new things.